Laba diena! Today we are heading to the capital to set the furniture in place. But before hitting the pedal, I have 5 tasks to do. First one is, I have to pack the bench cabinet. Second one, I have to collect the tools I'm gonna need during assembly. Third one, I have to pay for the roads. Then I have to pack and load everything onto the van. And lastly, I have to stop at the hardware store to pick up some fasteners. So let's not waste any minute and let's go! Finally, I'm on the way to Vilnius. I have a great cup of coffee. I bought 2 different types of fasteners. One is a regular concrete bolt with a plastic plug, and if anything goes sideways, I also bought 2-component glue for concrete, so I can basically fix anything to the hole. Yeah, but I just remembered that my ladders are at the workshop, so I really hope there will be some furniture to step onto in the apartment. Anyway, talk to you later. Here comes my brothers. They will help me out today.